They told you it's the American dream. Buy a house, settle down, and you're set for life. But they lied. That key didn't unlock freedom. It locked you into a 30-year prison sentence called a mortgage.
Let's do the math. You borrow $400,000 at 7% interest. After 30 years, do you know what you pay back?
Nearly $1 million. You bought one house for yourself and paid for a second house for the bank.
Rich people know this rule. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Your house? It drains you dry. It's not just the mortgage. Property tax, insurance, repairs. Even when you sleep, your house is eating your wallet. For the first 10 years, your payments are mostly interest. You are literally burning money, building almost zero equity. Here is what hurts the most. The opportunity cost. That huge down payment you handed over, it died the moment you signed.
If you invested that down payment in the market instead, thanks to compound interest, you could have retired a millionaire.
But wait, house prices go up, right?
Sure.
But inflation goes up faster. By the time you sell, your profit barely covers the maintenance costs.
A mortgage kills your freedom. Hate your job? Too bad, you can't quit. Better job in another city? You can't move. You are stuck.
Real estate is illiquid. If you need cash tomorrow for an emergency, you can't sell a bathroom. You are house rich, but cash poor. So should you be homeless? No. But stop calling your home an investment. It's a luxury. It's consumption. Treat it like buying a car.
The rich don't buy homes first. They buy rental properties. They buy assets that pay for their luxury home.
Renting is not throwing money away. Renting is buying patience. It's buying flexibility while your cash grows elsewhere.
Rent where you live. Invest the difference. Let your money work for you, not for the bank's interest rate.
I explain the exact rent versus buy math in Chapter 4 of my guide. Don't sign a 30-year contract until you verify the numbers.
Learn how to build a portfolio that pays for your housing instead of working to pay for a house.
The link is in the description. Stop being a battery for the system.
Monkey Sense. Own your life, not just a mortgage.